name is Mahalakshmi. I am from ZPHS Kottapet, Medchal, Malkajgiri district. I congratulate to each and every person who are here after passing from your matriculation. I wanted to become a chartered accountant. I thank I Foundation for calling us here and felicitating us because of our achievement. We all are in this stage because of our teachers. So we pay gratitude to our teachers and our headmaster for giving us such a wonderful opportunity and creating an ambience such that we are comfortable and we are able to read comfortably, so that we got this much marks in our SSC. And also, I congratulate everyone and I wish everyone that we are going to become a successful citizen, and we have to be responsible on our country and make this country a developed country. And I just want to tell one thing from here.
Today is one of the most memorable day in my life. I feel extremely happy and honored to stand here at the state level toppers facilitation program representing ZPHS Imampet. First of all, I sincerely thank the organizers for giving me this wonderful opportunity and for appreciating the hard work of students like me. Achieving success in the 10th class public examination is not my only personal achievement. It is the result of the continuous support, guidance and encouragement of many people. I express my heartfelt gratitude to my respected headmaster, teachers and staff of the ZPHS Imampet. Our teachers worked day and night for us. They clarified every doubt, patiently motivated us whenever we felt stressed and guided us with dedication, affection. Whatever we achieved today is because of their commitment and hard work. Finally, I decided this achievement to my school, my parents, my teacher and all those who supported me in my journey. Thank you once again to everyone for this honor and encouragement.
We proved that government students can also compete with the corporate students no matter where we are. But it only requires discipline, hard work, persistence to achieve anything. The stability of mindset is important here. And we are not just students, we are the future of the nation. The pen which we are holding today can rewrite the destiny of our nation. Education is the only weapon with that which we can change our nation. May the roots of the education are bitter, but the fruits of the education are sweet. A nation can never rise out from poverty to prosperity without the light of education. So, let's study for the knowledge, for the society, for the nation, to create jobs, but not for the marks. Let's study to transform our nation from developing country to developed country and reach new heights.
Today I feel very honored to stand over here and to be one of the students who have scored 560 plus in their SSC, and sincerely thankful to all my teachers who have not only taught me the values and the importance of our character, but also those who have understood every student's capacity and ability, and they have encouraged a lot, motivated a lot by seeing the capacity and the level till which the student can reach. That what motivated me a lot, and because of them today I am here, and I'm very thankful to all my teachers and everyone who have supported me, and my parents also. And the main thing which I have learned from this SSC examinations is I have hard work in every subject, but the main thing which I have learned is just our hard work doesn't give us the good results, but it mainly depends on our consistency, hard work and our concentration in every subject. And the main message which I want to give to the every student after my SSC examination is that whichever group are you going to choose in your future, either it's MPC, BIPC, CC or MEC, or you are going to prepare for any competitive exams, then please don't avoid your hard topics or difficult topics or your weekend subjects. Spend some more time on it rather than giving more time to your favorite subjects, and make those weekend subjects your strengths till you become very perfect and master that subject. That's the main thing which I have learned from this thing, and I don't think so. I have got the expectations of my teacher, but yeah, I think that this main thing, because of this thing only, I'm going to still reach more higher places in my future, and congratulate all the students who have came till here, and this is a very good thing and opportunity.
This is Amulya. I have completed my 10th standard. I secured 587 marks. I am residing in Venkatapur village, Nangnur Mandal, Siddipet district. I am so honored to secure first rank at the district level. I am so proud to say that I am the student of ZPHS Narmeta. I am so thankful to my parents because they encouraged me and supported me in all my difficult situations. I am so like to express my gratitude towards my teachers because they encouraged me with patience and clarified all my doubts and made me to stay confident and disciplined. Finally, I thank all my teachers, school management, and my parents and all my dear friends who supported me a lot.
మేము ఇక్కడి వరకు వస్తామని అనుకోలేదు. అందులో ఐ ఫౌండేషన్ రవీందర్ సార్ గారు జాజిరెడ్డిగూడెం వాస్తవ్యులు కావడం, ఐ ఫౌండేషన్ గురించి నేను చాలా విన్నాను. బ్లడ్ డొనేషన్స్ కానీ అన్నీ కూడా సార్ వాళ్ళు ఎంతో మంచి పనులు చేస్తున్నారు. మమ్మల్ని కూడా 10th క్లాస్లో మంచి మార్క్స్ సాధించినందుకు సత్కరించాలని అనుకోవడం చాలా గొప్ప విషయం. థ్యాంక్ యూ రవీందర్ సార్ అండ్ అనిల్ సార్.